CX Enterprise Coworker and Agent Orchestrator are the technologies behind Adobe's Agentic offering. They power the intelligence and reasoning using expert agents, enabling them to execute complex decision-making and problem-solving tasks at speed and scale. They also give teams the ability to build, manage, and coordinate Adobe and third-party agents to meet specific business needs. Let's start with Agent Orchestrator, which comes with 4 components. First, a conversational interface that exposes the agents via a conversational interface such as AI assistants, Microsoft 365 Copilot, Claude, or ChatGPT. Next, a reasoning engine which interprets prompts and determines the necessary steps to accomplish a user's objectives. Then also a knowledge base which provides context for the reasoning engine so that agents assign the right tasks to the right resources. And also Agent Composer, which can be used by users to configure and customize agents to achieve specific business goals. Let's have a look at how these components operate within the existing Adobe Experience Cloud ecosystem. First of all, Agent Orchestrator is an additional platform layer that spans the full Experience Cloud. Agent Orchestrator lives on top of the data, content, and journeys ecosystem that you've been using for years. The conversational chat service operates in combination with Agent Orchestrator and marketer-facing tools such as AI assistants. Whenever a business user like an analyst or marketer asks a question using AI assistants, that question is processed through the conversational chat service and is then made available to Agent Orchestrator. Agent Orchestrator then starts its reasoning process, which kicks off with the coordinator layer. The coordinator layer analyzes the incoming prompt and then decides how to process it. There are 3 ways in which a prompt can get processed. It may be that the incoming prompt doesn't require the use of an agent to provide an answer. In that case, we speak of a non-agent query, and the coordinator layer in Agent Orchestrator then provides an answer back to the business user immediately. If the incoming prompt is focused on a specific capability or question and isn't too complex, then that can be answered by an agent directly. In that case, the coordinator layer will hand it off to the agent executor, which will then call the agent. If the incoming prompt involves multiple tasks, the coordinator layer will then use the plan generator layer to create a plan, and once the plan is reviewed and confirmed by the business user, the plan executor layer will then call the downstream agents to execute the plan. Both the agent executor and the plan executor then use the agent execution layer to speak to the task-specific agents. There are a lot of available agents, more than what I can draw on this whiteboard, and each of these agents connects to the agent execution layer using an agent-to-agent protocol. You can see agents like brand experience agent, audience agent, journey agent, data insights agent, and more. Each of these agents represents a domain of task-specific capabilities that live within the existing Adobe Experience Cloud solutions. Whenever Agent Orchestrator receives a question such as update this web page, create a new variation of a content fragment, search for specific assets, create a new embedded form, and more, Agent Orchestrator's reasoning will understand that the answers need to come from within the Adobe Experience Manager ecosystem of AEM sites, AEM assets, and AEM forms. These capabilities are connected to Agent Orchestrator as part of the brand experience agents using a variety of API requests and internally exposed MCP servers. So whenever you ask one of these questions, this is where the information in the answer is being sourced from. When you ask a question such as, which field is used to store my customer's preferred product or genre, Agent Orchestrator will understand that your question is related to XDM schemas in Adobe Experience Platform. All schema-related information is grouped as the field discovery agent, which is connected to Agent Orchestrator, just like Brand Experience Agent before. Whenever you're asking questions related to your audiences, like what are my top 10 audiences, how much have these audiences changed over time, or create a new audience, your questions will be handled by the audience agent, which is connected to the audience's capabilities of Adobe Experience Platform. And the same story goes for journey-related questions, like what audiences are used in a specific journey, or create a new journey, and more. These questions are all addressed by Journey Agent, which is connected to Adobe Journey Optimizer. Agent Orchestrator will route questions around reporting and insights to customer journey analytics, and will look at your specific data views to help answer any question, like what were my sales in the last 6 months, which campaigns have driven the most revenue, or give me a fallout analysis, and more. Whenever the downstream agent provides its information back to Agent Orchestrator, Agent Orchestrator will then analyze the provided information and will then provide back an answer to the business user who asked the question. So far, we've only spoken about using Adobe AI Assistant to interact with Agent Orchestrator. There are other ways of using natural language to interact with Agent Orchestrator beyond AI Assistant, and that starts with Adobe Marketing Agent. Adobe Marketing Agent exposes MCP server and agent-to-agent endpoints, which means that you can connect with almost any existing non-Adobe tool to Agent Orchestrator. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, Microsoft 365 Copilot, Google Gemini, and others to ask your questions using Adobe Marketing Agents, which will then pass your question to the downstream Adobe agents using Agent Orchestrator. Once Agent Orchestrator receives the information coming back from the downstream agents, it will be passed back to Adobe Marketing Agents into the conversation using your tool of choice. As a business user, you can now get your insights anywhere and boost your productivity. Beyond being the reasoning engine for conversations between business users and Adobe applications, Agent Orchestrator also enables developing AI-first applications on top of Agent Orchestrator. Applications like Brand Concierge, LLM Optimizer, AJO Experimentation Accelerator, and AEM Sites Optimizer have been built on top of Agent Orchestrator already. With Agent Composer, organizations are able to customize, configure, and manage the various Adobe agents in combination with their own agents, which will be aligned to specific brand guidelines, organizational policies, and workflow requirements. CX Enterprise Coworker is powered by Adobe's Agentic Coworker harness, which acts as an autonomous control layer wrapper around LLMs to orchestrate, execute, and verify complex marketing and customer experience tasks without constant human intervention. CX Enterprise Coworker evolved from Agent Orchestrator. The Coworker harness manages iterations, error recovery, and the delegation of subtasks across multiple specialized AI agents. Rather than following static rules, the harness takes high-level business goals like boosting cross-sell performance by 3% and then breaks them down into step-by-step plans and then adapts on the fly as it monitors external signals. The harness comes with reusable Markdown-based instructions that tell the AI system how to act and maintain brand compliance. From the Coworker UI, prompts are submitted in a similar way as with Agent Orchestrator. The prompt is then submitted using the agentic loop, which first gathers context, then decides to take action using a variety of subtasks and subagents. At every step of the way, results are verified and the status of each subtask is updated. This agentic loop continues until a satisfactory response is given in relation to the prompt that was submitted, and in the process, the agentic loop will verify with the business user whether or not the provided output aligns to expectations. The LLM that is being used is surrounded by a layer of skills, which are instructions that need to be taken into account and that help decide what is a good outcome and what isn't. Whenever an action is taken, skills are used to decide where to get the information from. This could be an API endpoint, an MCP server endpoint, or any of the existing agents that we've been using with Agent Orchestrator previously. Thanks to the connectivity over API and MCP endpoints, any existing API of any of the Experience Cloud solutions is now an available source of information. Thanks for watching this video on Adobe's Agentic AI architecture. I'll see you in the next video.